Good morning. You look like you did something bad. Is this really happening? Taylor Swift is releasing a new album, Zoe. How do we feel about it? Wow! Good morning, you guys. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, today's video, I have so much I need to do today, so I thought I would take you guys with me on a really productive day. By the way, I have a Target gift card giveaway going on. I'm giving away a $100 Target gift card, so make sure to go follow me on Instagram and enter. Subscribe while you're here. I made this to-do list. It's like a weekly to-do list, but I put all the things that I needed to do on it. I already forgot one thing. Anyways, I'm back home at my parents' house today, and I'm filming a video. I'm gonna be making Taylor Swift's cookie recipe, which is like so fitting because she announced that she's releasing her 9th studio album today, and I was like, what? Because I've been planning on making this video for so long. So timing, I don't know. I also am here because I need to wrap all the presents that I got for my family, and I thought it might be fun to like show you guys while I got them and while I wrap them. Just overall a busy day. It needs to be a productive one, so I was like, why not take you guys along? Basically, I can't start filming until after 12 because my stepdad is here and he's like, wow. I'm taking him to the airport and then I'll film after that. I thought I could wrap my presents before. Like any adult, I hid them under my bed. The issue that we're facing, this is just such a weird angle. The issue that we're facing here, a lot of the stuff is pushed too far back. Will I be able to get it? I'll show you guys everything I got them as well. Yeah, that's mine. That's for me. I'm not a professional rapper, so go easy on me. I apologize if this sucks. My sister wants to be a teacher. She is finishing her like last semester of college. While she'll be a teacher, I didn't just buy her random stuff for her classroom. She had like an Amazon wish list, so I just bought her a ton of stuff from it. This looks like they're a bunch of like bulletin board, kind of ugly, not gonna lie. We have very different tastes. Bulletin board borders, I guess. The wrapping paper I chose. Part of me is like, should I watch a TikTok really quickly on how to wrap a present, or should I just wish for the best? I think I'm just gonna wish for the best. I'm wearing shorts. I'm afraid it's gonna be awkward. I don't know. The present go. Did I lose it? Oh, it's right here. For everyone who's gonna judge me, please don't. I had the genius idea that I should probably show you what I got everyone all at once and then wrap it, and then instead of doing like show wrap, it would just take too long. You know, my sister also wanted this party favorite prizes for kids. I don't know. She also wanted this. This is Funtac mounting putty, probably for the banner things that I just wrapped. Pencils, and they kind of like exploded. I don't like that. This is a 2-pack of crayons. Crayola broad line markers. Are they just markers? I feel like I'm opening presents. It's just 2 boxes of markers. Also wanted this. I think it is so ugly. It's this lanyard, you know, for her badge. So hideous. She wanted it. She likes it. My stepdad wanted these golf balls with some team on it. The Vegas Knights. I don't know what this is. Cutter covers. The golf towel with a hook and grommet. Okay, so I also got this for him. I'm really excited about it. I saw this on Whitney Simmons' story, and I have a dog that is very treat oriented. Like, she will do anything for food. I just thought he would, like, I wanted to get it for my dog, and I just thought he'd enjoy it. This is just something he would enjoy. It's a dog Sudoku or cat Sudoku. You put treats under these. The dog or cat can like move the little squares to uncover the treat. I know my dog would be really good at this, and I just thought my stepdad would enjoy watching it. I just thought it'd be something he'd like. I got my sister more pencils in a non-broken box. Okay, so my stepdad, he golfed, hence why I got him the other golf stuff. And I wanted to get him golf ball with all of my family's faces on it. Turns out that was really expensive, so I just got one with my dog's face on it. There's my dog's face. It did not turn out as well as I hoped, but it was still pretty cute. I have this half-gallon water bottle that I had, and she's like, I want it, and I was like, okay, so I got it for her. I also got her a TV, but she opened it already and set it up, and I was like, this is a Christmas gift, Mom. Like, yeah, what are you doing? I also got my sister this. I was gonna make it, but then it turned out to be more expensive if I made it, so I just like bought it. But it's this little pencil. It says Miss Acton on it, because that's her name. Oh no, I just stepped on the wrapping paper. I also got my mom kind of like a knockoff Roomba. Cordly, I got it on Amazon Prime Day. It's like one of those vacuums that just like goes around. I'm afraid that my dog is not gonna like this, but we'll see how it goes. I have a Kindle gift card. My mom reads a lot on her Kindle. My sister, I really got her a lot of stuff. I got her these like little things. I don't even know what they are. Expo, more Expo, erasers, colored pencils. She wanted this treasure box chest, and I don't think she realized that it would be just like cardboard. I literally thought this was like Beats by Dr. Dre with this colored pencils. just finished. Not my best work. Every year I tell myself I'm gonna do better next year. And then it becomes next year and I'm like, next year. Because every year I'm like, I don't feel like doing this. Hopefully I got all the presents. I'm afraid I forgot some, but whatever. My sister's birthday is in a few days, so I got her this. Now I need to set up my kitchen for filming a video. I don't know if this is working that well. I'm gonna turn it up a little. Right now I just finished filming my video where I make Taylor Swift cookies. Well, I'm halfway done. I'm waiting for the cookies to bake. This is the mess that we have. It's a mess. I guess it's time to clean. This is a vlog takeover. We are filming Amazon products? Yeah. Car Amazon products? No. I should do a TikTok where I talk about car Amazon products. Oh! Do you even have TikTok? I've never made one, but I need to make one. I've never made a TikTok, so I'm nervous. Well, I don't know how to work TikTok either because I don't know how to do it either. Oh, I need to go to Costco. Do you want to go with me? Can I put different shoes on? Well, yeah. I want to go to Costco with us. Your camera's a little dirty. Don't. Kendall and I are going to Costco right now. She was nice enough to let me drive because I let her try out my cup thing that I bought. I was nice enough to let you drive? You were nice enough to drive. Yeah. And I let you try my cup. But we're going to Costco. I printed out some pictures for my friends. I wanted to send them like photos, like a little letter when they're home, like in their hometowns for Christmas. Because I thought it'd be like cute to have like their other family, meaning like us family, you know what I mean? Like with their other family, you know? I just thought it was like a cute idea. 2 of them are not left yet, so I need to wait to mail it until they leave. I printed them out at Costco because fun fact, it's cheap. I printed out 5 photos and it was less than $1, so life tack. Tack it in your life. I like her. I like the cardigan. The little girl's cute. Oh, I was talking about the mom. We were in Costco for like 10 seconds, but then we came home and I cleaned up all the stuff from baking and I made a TikTok, and I don't know why it stressed me out so much, but that was my first TikTok I ever made. Nothing makes me feel older than TikTok, honestly, genuinely. I feel like a grandma. Just finished those, but I'm not gonna send them until they all go home. I feel like I want to clean up. I need to pack my bag for back home because I'm going back home. And by home, I mean back to my college apartment tonight because I have my personal trainer in the morning and it's just so much easier if I go home now rather than wait because I don't want to wake up early. I have all of this, just a mess, but I need to clean it. Right now we're watching Grey's Anatomy. I still haven't packed yet. That's what I'm procrastinating doing, so. Yeah, but I've just been planning out some videos. You can't even see me yet. I just got home. I still have my backpack on. I got home, my college apartment, less than 60 seconds ago. Like, I still have my shoes on, but immediately what I started doing is I'm going to set up for the video that I'm filming where I film my reaction to Taylor Swift's new, I can't even think, new album, but good water. Okay, I'm so excited.